Good morning everyone. In a previous class we have learned about the volume of the cuboid and volume of the cube we have learned. Today we are going to learn about the volume of right circular cylinder. Right circular. What is mean by right circular cylinder? Everyone knows this cylinder, is it? So what is mean by right circular cylinder? We will see the class. Okay. So in our day-to-day life we are across the several solids like the cylinders, is it? So water can and some cool drinks and then pipe. Okay, these are all the examples we have seen day-to-day life. Okay, and it has no rectangular ends, it's having the curved ends, is it? For example, in a water bottle the end of that shape is curved. Okay, so it's not having the rectangular shape. That is called the circular cylinder. That is called the circular cylinder. The shape of the water bottle or water can having the cylindrical. Okay, in the bottom of the solids cylinder is a curved. Okay, so circular. So that means circular cylinder. Then why do you tell right circular cylinder? Right circular cylinder means the axis of the cylinder is a perpendicular to the base. Okay, the axis of the height is perpendicular to the base. Okay, so axis ங்கிறது அதோடைய அச்சு வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்னா the cylinder, if the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the base, that is called the right circular cylinder. Okay, do you understand? The cylinder, everyone known, it's one of the solid sphere, solid shape. Okay, solid shape, and circular cylinder means it having the end of the cylindrical shape having a curved line. Okay, it's a curved line. Okay, so it's called the circular cylinder. When we have told the right circular cylinder, the right circular is a solid figure. Okay, its axis okay, it's with the axis if the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the base. Okay, so right circular cylinder is a solid figure if the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular. The axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the base. Then it is called the right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. Okay, so now we will see the formula for volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equal to length into breadth into height, is it? Cube units. Here length and breadth. So length and breadth is a here circular face, is it? So it's a circular face. So area of the circle, area of a circle into height. Okay, so area of the circle formula pi r squared height cube unit. Okay, so thus the volume of the cylinder, volume of the right circular cylinder, okay, right circular cylinder is equal to pi r square height cube units. Okay, so what is the formula? Volume of a right circular cylinder is equal to pi r square h. What is mean by volume of the right circular cylinder? The right circular cylinder is a solid figure if the axis of a cylinder is perpendicular to the base ku perpendicular irundhuchna then the right circular cylinder. Okay, right circular cylinder. Now we move to the example problems. Example 10. Find the volume of the right circular cylinder whose base radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. This is the circle. This is the radius. Okay, so radius, this is a height. Okay, we want to find out the volume of a cylinder. We have record the measurement, radius and height. I already know that the pi value 22/7. Okay, right. So example 10. Solution. Given radius r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so height (10 centimeter). So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square height cube unit. Okay, so pi value is 22/7, r value is 3.5. So 3.5 can be written as 7/2. Okay, for easy cancellation. Okay, 7/2 centimeter. 7/2 into height value was 10. Okay, 11 here 5. 77 5s are 385 centimeter cube. That's all. Okay, right. And next one of the example, a rectangular piece of paper is 44 centimeter long and 20 centimeter broad. So long means length, broad means breadth. Okay, so LB values are given. It is rolled along its length to form a cylinder. So the rectangle paper we have fold, we get this cylindrical shape. Okay, already we have done the one of the activity also. Okay, so find the volume of the cylinder so formed. Find the volume. Apna evlo volume appdin ketirukanga. Okay, so for here the height of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. So breadth we have to consider be the height, is it? Then the paper, okay, this is a breadth, this is a length, you have folded. So fold pannamodu it can make like this. Okay, so this is a height. So So B, we have considered B, height. Breadth we have considered B, height. Okay. Example 11. So height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is equal to breadth. So here 20 centimeter breadth. So 20 centimeter. Okay. And next one, the circumference. So base. Okay. So circumference, that is a perimeter. Okay. So இது ஹோல்ட் பண்ணும்போது இந்த லென்த் அப்படியே என்ன ஆயிடும், ஹோல் சுற்றிடும், அப்படி தானே. அப்போ சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த சர்க்கிள். ஓகே, சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த சர்க்கிள் is equal to what is given 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. Circumference of the circle formula 2 pi r units. Okay. Right. Now we have calculated the radius r. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44 centimeter. So 22 table 2 times 2 will be cancelled. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we have to find out the volume. Okay. So volume is equal to pi r squared h centimeter cube. So pi value will be considered 22 by 7, r value is 7 into 7, h value is the height of the cylinder is 20. So it will be cancelled. Okay, now multiply. So 140. 140 into 3080 centimeter cube. So volume is equal to volume of the cylinder. Okay, cylinder is equal to 3080 centimeter cube. Okay, and next one, example 12. The radius and height of the cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and its volume is 550 centimeter cube. Find its radius and height. So the radius and height in the ratio. Okay, so let we consider be 5x and 7x. So length is we consider 5x and breadth be consider 7x. Okay. Okay. Sorry, breadth is not there. Breadth means here height. Okay, here in a cylinder height. We have find out the height values and radius value. Example 12. Okay. So radius and height be consider 5:7. Okay. So let the radius be 5x and height be 7x. So volume of the cylinder is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square height. Pi r square height cube units. Okay. So now substitute the values. Pi value in 22 by 7. Okay. R value, the radius be consider 5x. So 5x into 5x into h value is 7x. Okay. 7x. And volume of the cylinder is also given. I say volume of the cylinder value is 550 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is given. Okay, now we have find out the x values. Okay, it cancel in 11 table, 5 times 2 times. Okay, so 5 will be cancelled here, and here 7 will be also cancelled. So what are the terms remain? 2 5s are 10, x cube here 1. Here 1 0 is also there. Okay, so 10. Okay, here 1 0 is there. Okay, it will be cancelled. So 1 is equal to x cube. So anything cube root of 1 is 1. So 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. Now the radius equal to 5x equal to 5 into 1, 5 centimeter, and height 7x is equal to 7 into 1, 7 centimeter. That's it. Okay, now see the example 13. The volume of the metal in a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means the good example in our pencil. Okay, so inside one of the lid, black lid is there, and outside wooden coating is given. Okay, that is the example for the hollow cylinder. Okay, and pipe la pathina or vidhu irukum. Okay va, நம்ம வாட்டர் பைப்பாக இருக்கட்டும், எந்த டேப்னாலுமே அந்த யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய இந்த சிலிண்ட்ரிக்கல் பைப் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் ஹாலோ சிலிண்டர். ஓகே, here one of the hollow cylinder is given. Okay, so metal in the hollow cylindrical pipe is 748 centimeter cube. Its length is 14 centimeter and its external radius is 9 centimeter. So length is given. So length means here we have considered the height. Okay, and the external radius is 9 centimeter. External radius means capital R. Okay, see this diagram for your understanding. This is the internal. Okay, this is the external radius. Okay, this is the height common for the both inner and exterior of the cylinder. Okay, radius only is vary. Okay, right, here external radius is given and also give it the height is given. Height is 14 centimeter. Okay, let inner, okay, inner radius be smaller. Okay, and outer radius be capital R. Okay, then given outer radius or external radius. Okay, outer or external radius. So outer radius is given, is it? The value is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. So that is a capital R. Okay, that is a capital R. Okay, and then the height is given. Height of the cylinder. H is equal to 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Okay. Find the thickness. Now we have to find out the thickness. So what we do? Find the volume of the inner cylinder minus outer cylinder. We get the thickness of the cylinder. Okay, thickness of the cylinder. So now we have find out volume of the pipe. நம்ம பைப் தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அதோடைய வால்யூம் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபைனலாக என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், திக்னஸை லெஸ் பண்ணி எடுத்துடலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ வால்யூம் ஆஃப் த பைப் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 748 centimeter cube. Okay, so what is the formula for volume of the cylinder? Pi. Here hollow cylinder, here they given the hollow cylinder. Okay, so inner cylinder and outer cylinder also there. So external cylinder pi capital R squared height. Okay, then one more is pi small r squared height is equal to 748 centimeter cube. 748 centimeter cube. Now take the common one. Okay, pi and h are common, so capital R squared minus small r squared. This is a formula for the hollow cylinder. This is a formula for the hollow cylinder. Okay, so pi h capital R squared minus small r squared 748 centimeter cube. Now substitute the values. So here 9 square, this value was 22/7, h value was 14 minus r squared is equal to it will cancel in two table. Two times of 7, 14, and then the 44. Okay, 44 here 9 square is 81 minus r square is equal to 748. Okay, and it will cancel. Two table, 2 3s are 6, 7s are 4. Okay, again it will cancel. 11, 1, 8, 7. Cancel in 11 table. 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are 77. Okay, so 81 minus r squared is equal to 17. Okay, so 81 stay here, minus 17 move from that side, minus 17 minus r squared move to this side, plus r squared. Okay, subtract these values is 64. So r squared is equal to 64. We have take the square root. So r is equal to 8 centimeters. So the radius is 8 centimeter. Now we have to find out the thickness. We have find out the thickness. thickness is equal to outer radius, is it? Outer radius minus inner radius. Outer radius capital R is equal to, what is the value? 9 centimeter. So inner radius is 8 centimeter. So 1 centimeter. So thickness of the pipe, thus the thickness of a pipe is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, right. And the next one of the example 14. Pranav is digging a well of the radius 2.8 meter and 15 meter depth. So R is given, depth means height is also given. He is also putting the mud duct out from the well on a plot of a land to make a high rise platform. அதாவது அந்த வெள்ளோடைய வெளிப்பக்கம் அந்த ஏரியா வந்து அவங்களுடைய ஃப்ளாட்லேருந்து உயர்த்து கட்டுறாங்க. ஓகேவா? If the height of the platform is 3 meter, then find the area of the plat. அப்படி அந்த வெல் கட்டுறது வந்து அந்த ஃப்ளாட்லேருந்து ஹைட்டாக இருக்குது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இதான் ஹைட் ஃப்ளாட் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அந்த கிணறு வந்து இவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸில் 3 மீட்டர் இதில் கெட்டினாங்கன்னா இது என்ன ஹைட்டில் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஃபைண்ட் தி ஏரியா ஆஃப் த பிளாட். பிளாட்டோடைய ஏரியா என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த டேட்டாஸ் ஆர் கிவன்? இந்த வெல்லோடைய ரேடியஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, டெப்த் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகே, example 14. Given radius of the well is equal to 2.8 meter. Okay, depth, that is height, is equal to 15 meter. Okay, so volume, well is a cylindrical shape. Okay, so volume of the well is equal to pi r square h cube units. So pi value be considered 22/7. R value, radius is 2.8 into 2.8 meter. Okay, into height is 15 meter cube. Okay, now it cancel. 7 4s. Okay, right. Now simplify this. We get the value 369.6 meter cube. Okay, so volume of the volume of the earth dug out from the well is equal to 369.6 meter cube. Okay, now the another one of the data is given. The plot of land to make a high rise platform. If the height of the platform is 3 meter, then find the area of the plot. Okay, so height of the platform, is equal to 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. Then we have find out the area of the plot. Okay, so area of the plot is equal to, okay, area of the plot is equal to volume of the earth dug. Okay, so volume of the earth dug out from well divided by height of the plot. Height of the plot. So volume is 369.6 meter cube divided by height of the plot is 3 meter. So 123.2 meters square. So therefore the area of the plot is equal to 123.2 meters square. Okay, examples are completed. Homework. One to 4. Okay, so remaining exercise problem I will teach in the next class. Okay, so today we have learned about the volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Why do you use the pi r squared? The base of the cylindrical shape is circle. So area of the circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Okay, into height. So pi r square height cube unit. I hope you all understood the today concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask it to me. Thank you, students.